So it is 14 days out from the Van Dyke Classic Bodybuilding Show, and I'm going to show you my day off and what that looks like preparing for the show. I naturally can't sleep in. Now that I'm in this calorie deficit because it's bright out, I want to get to work. So very first thing is cardio. It is not quite 7 a.m. So I'm going to slam pre-workout and get going. So some days I would hop on the elliptical because I find that's a very efficient, low impact way to burn a lot of calories. But today it's the old bike because we want to get my legs lean and I want to get the pump in those legs. Either way, it's gonna suck. So simple strategy here, because it's just super boring to go steady state. Go for about a minute light, about 4 or 5 out of 10. Go for a minute harder, not crazy hard, to get the legs burning, and then you cut your time in half mentally. But I keep my average heart rate anywhere from 105 to about 120, still on target rate. Oh shit, I gotta go. Now, off to posing with my posing coach. You have to make sure you know you look good on stage. And this is my posing coach, Brett.
What's up, guys?
Now shopping. Gotta get veggies, gotta get egg whites, get more steps in. I sometimes like to walk through the candy aisle just to tempt myself, but actually to calm myself so that I'm not terrified of these foods. I just recognize it's an emotion, but I don't have to panic, despite being in a calorie deficit. And I just imagine what it's like to eat it. Now I'm hungry. I gotta eat. Now I gotta get at least 13K steps in. I'm only at 5,500, so I'm gonna do a 45-minute walk. I wanna get my walk over and done with before my massage. So it's walk time. And you gotta do the stairs when you get back. Fuck. Now it's time for me to go with Anne Jelina to go boxing. I'm her videographer, so I got a really important job. You're not kicking, why are you kicking? There she goes, there she goes. I came back early to get some food. Anne Jelina finished up her workout. This is my second time doing the stairs today. Fucking meal number 2, the eggs. Now into Omnia for massage. All right, this is Tyler. He's going to work my quads, and this is legitimately the most painful part of my entire process. This isn't just for recovery. He's actually trying to loosen up the muscle fibers so they looked more defined on stage. Plus, I have a hip issue, and he's also treating my rotator cuff that I've been able to manage over this training period. I'm gonna head back to United for Anne Jelina's second boxing session to watch do some handpans. Now I'm over 14K steps, so I already hit my step goal. I could have driven. If you got time to walk and burn calories, you got the energy, might as well do it. And now, after a long day...
And a plan stick.
Yeah, that's important. We're gonna head back and chill the fuck out.